In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade millet flour at home. This flour is packed with lots of nutrient, vitamin and antioxidants. It also contains a lot of fiber and protein, so stay tuned. So to make this millet flour, I will start by washing the millet to remove sand, dust or the chaff. So I will pour the millet into a bowl, add enough water to wash it. You can also notice that the chaff will rise on top. Then I will gently sieve to remove the chaff. Then I will repeat the same process until the water is clear. While sieving the millet, you can notice that there are small little sand that settle at the bottom of the bowl. So you need to be careful. So I'm going to allow it to drain for a little while before I will spray it out. So I'm going to spray it on a tray which I've laid a parchment paper. I'm going to spray it out, then leave it to dry. So the next day, the millet has dried. So I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add the millet into the blender, over the blender and blend into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to remove any chunks. I would advise you to spread out the flour to cool because the friction of the blending can cause some level of heat. So spread it out and allow it to cool before you store it. So when I notice that the flour has cooled down, I'm going to store it in Ziploc bag, or you can also store it in airtight container and use whenever you want. Finally, the millet flour is ready. You can use this to bake bread, pancake, muffin, cake, or also use it to make your swallow or fufu. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.